Hey everyone! Today we're making onion bhajis, a super yummy, crispy and spicy snack. Get ready, it's going to be delicious. Let's get started. First we need our ingredients. You'll need 2 big onions, 1 cup of chickpea flour, it's like a special flour made from chickpeas, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, it makes things yellow and tastes a little earthy, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, it's a warm spice, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, another warm spice, a tiny bit of baking powder, salt, some chopped cilantro, it's a green herb, and water. Don't forget the oil for frying. Step 1. Slice the onions. Make them thin, like about this thick. Show with fingers 1/4 inch. Pull the rings apart and put them to the side. Now let's mix the dry stuff. In a big bowl, put in the chickpea flour, turmeric, cumin, coriander, baking powder, and salt. Mix it all together. Next, add water a little at a time. You want the mix to be thick, like pancake batter. It should stick to a spoon a little, but still be easy to pour. Put in your chopped cilantro and mix it all up. Now for the fun part, the onions. Put them in the batter and make sure every ring is covered. Let's heat the oil. Put enough oil in a deep pan to cover the bhajis, about this much. Show with fingers about 2 inches. Make it hot on the stove, medium-high heat, until it's really hot, about 350 degrees. If you don't have a thermometer, drop a tiny bit of batter in. It should sizzle and float to the top. Carefully drop spoonfuls of the onion mix into the hot oil. Don't put too many in at once so they have room to cook. Cook for 3 or 4 minutes, turning them so they get golden brown and crispy all over. When they're done, take them out with a slotted spoon, it's a spoon with holes, and put them on a plate with paper towels to soak up the extra oil. Sprinkle a little more salt on top while they're still hot. And that's it! Crispy, yummy onion bhajis made by you. Eat them while they're hot with your favorite dipping sauce. Try it out. Tell me how yours turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you know when I post new recipes. Thanks for watching and have fun cooking.